बस थोड़ी दूर है। Just a little far away. Just a little far away. Just a little far away. तुम्हारा घर यहाँ से कितनी दूर है? How far is your house from here? How far is your house from here? How far is your house from here? मेरा घर पास में ही है। My house is nearby. My house is nearby. My house is nearby. मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी। I would be very happy. I would be very happy. I would be very happy. मेरा घर बहुत अच्छा है। My house is very nice. My house is very nice. My house is very nice. मेरे घर आना जरूर। Please come to my house. Please come to my house. Please come to my house. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? क्या तुम धीरे नहीं बोल सकते? Can't you speak slowly? Can't you speak slowly? Can't you speak slowly? मुझे धीरे बोलने वाले पसंद हैं। I like people who speak slowly. I like people who speak slowly. I like people who speak slowly. धीरे बोलो। Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. तुम्हें धीरे बोलना चाहिए। You should speak slowly. You should speak slowly. You should speak slowly. धीरे चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. क्या तुम धीरे नहीं चल सकते? Can't you walk slowly? Can't you walk slowly? Can't you walk slowly? कृपया क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that please? गुस्सा मत करना। Don't get angry. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. अच्छे से बात करना। To speak well. To speak well. To speak well. बार बार समझाओ उसे। Explain it to him again and again. Explain it to him again and again. Explain it to him again and again. गुस्सा मत होना। Don't get angry. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. मैं उसे नहीं समझाऊंगा। I will not explain it to him. I will not explain it to him. I will not explain it to him. अच्छे से समझ जाओ। Understand it well. Understand it well. Understand it well. मुझे मजाक बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं। I don't like jokes at all. I don't like jokes at all. I don't like jokes at all. मजाक मत करो। Don't joke. Don't joke. Don't joke. मजाक बंद करो। Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? खेलकर मजा आ गया। I had fun playing it. I had fun playing it. I had fun playing it. मैं आज उपवास रखूंगा। I will fast today. I will fast today. I will fast today. मैं आज उपवास नहीं रखूंगा। I will not fast today. I will not fast today. I will not fast today. मुझे उपवास करना पसंद है। I like to fast. I like to fast. I like to fast. जल्दी जल्दी काम खत्म करो। Finish the work quickly. Finish the work quickly. Finish the work quickly. जल्दी जल्दी बनाओ। Make it quickly. Make it quickly. Make it quickly. उठो, वक्त खत्म हो रहा है। Wake up. Time is running out. Wake up. Time is running out. Wake up. Time is running out. जल्दी जल्दी करो। Make it fast. Make it fast. Make it fast. क्या तुम्हें बिरयानी पसंद है? Do you like biryani? Do you like biryani? Do you like biryani? तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? What do you like? शाम में क्या खाओगे? What will you eat in the evening? What will you eat in the evening? What will you eat in the evening? तुम्हें सुबह में क्या खाना है? What do you want to eat in the morning? What do you want to eat in the morning? What do you want to eat in the morning? मुझे सुबह में रोटी खाना है। I want to eat roti in the morning. I want to eat roti in the morning. I want to eat roti in the morning. जल्दी उठना अच्छी आदत होती है। Waking up early is a good habit. Waking up early is a good habit. Waking up early is a good habit. सुबह में जल्दी उठना चाहिए। Must wake up early at dawn. Must wake up early at dawn. Must wake up early at dawn. मैं अक्सर लेट उठता हूँ। I often wake up late. I often wake up late. I often wake up late. आप सुबह में कब उठते हैं? When do you wake up in the morning? When do you wake up in the morning? When do you wake up in the morning? तुम्हें जरूर उपवास रखना चाहिए। You must fast. You must fast. You must fast. अब क्या करोगे? Now what will you do now? Now what will you do now? Now what will you do now? बहुत ही बुरा हुआ। It was very bad. It was very bad. It was very bad. मैं उपवास कर रहा हूँ। I am fasting. I am fasting. I am fasting. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट करना ना भूलें। वह आता ही होगा। He must be coming. He must be coming. He must be coming. कुछ देर इंतजार करो। Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ। Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. तुमसे बाद में बात करूंगा। I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. तुम बाद में आना. You come later. You come later. You come later. मैं थोड़ा सा बिजी हूँ. I am a little busy. I am a little busy. I am a little busy. उसके काम करने का तरीका बिल्कुल अलग है. His way of working is completely different. His way of working is completely different. His way of working is completely different. वे बहुत काम की हैं. She is very useful. She is very useful. She is very useful. मुझे काम करने की जरूरत नहीं. I don't need to work. I don't need to work. I don't need to work. उसे आदत है काम करने की. He is used to working. He is used to working. He is used to working. मैं थक जाता हूँ. I get tired. I get tired. I get tired. मुझे बहुत काम करना पड़ता है. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. मैं ज्यादा काम की वजह से व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy because of too much work. I am busy because of too much work. I am busy because of too much work. क्या आप व्यस्त हैं? Are you busy? Are you busy? Are you busy? आपको अधिक पानी पीने की जरूरत है. You need to drink more water. You need to drink more water. You need to drink more water. आप अधिक पानी पिए. You drink more water. You drink more water. You drink more water. उसे अधिक पानी पीना चाहिए. He should drink more water. He should drink more water. He should drink more water. मुझे अधिक व्यायाम करने की जरूरत है. I need to exercise more. I need to exercise more. I need to exercise more. मुझे जल्दी सोना है. I need to sleep early. I need to sleep early. I need to sleep early. मुझे अधिक पैसे बचाने की जरूरत है. I need to save more money. I need to save more money. I need to save more money. मुझे कुछ किराना का सामान खरीदना है. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. अंग्रेजी सीखना आसान हो गया है. Learning English has become easy. Learning English has become easy. Learning English has become easy. यह अंग्रेजी सीखने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है. This is the best way to learn English. This is the best way to learn English. This is the best way to learn English. मैं सिखाऊंगी तुम्हें इंग्लिश. I will teach you English. I will teach you English. I will teach you English. चलो इंग्लिश सीखते हैं। लेट्स लर्न इंग्लिश। लेट्स लर्न इंग्लिश। लेट्स लर्न इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश बोलना सीखे। लर्न टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। लर्न टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। लर्न टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो? हाउ डू यू नाउ मी? हाउ डू यू नाउ मी? हाउ डू यू नाउ मी? तुम्हें करना चाहिए। यू शुड डू इट। You should do it. You should do it. क्या मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए? Should I do something? Should I do something? Should I do something? मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do something. I want to do something. I want to do something. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? How do you know me? मेरे कपड़े धोना अभी बाकी हैं। I still have my laundry to do. I still have my laundry to do. I still have my laundry to do. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो। Do not waste your time. Do not waste your time. Do not waste your time. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट करना ना भूलें। पौधा प्लांट। प्लांट। दिमाग ब्रेन। ब्रेन। बहू डॉटर इन लॉ। डॉटर इन लॉ। दामाद सन इन लॉ। सन इन लॉ। बेटी डॉटर। डॉटर। बेटा सन। सन। पति हस्बैंड। हस्बैंड। पत्नी वाइफ। वाइफ। गांव विलेज। विलेज। शहर सिटी। सिटी। नंद सिस्टर इन लॉ। सिस्टर इन लॉ। सास मदर इन लॉ। मदर इन लॉ। देवरा ब्रदर इन लॉ। ब्रदर इन लॉ। ससुर फादर इन लॉ। फादर इन लॉ। भाई ब्रदर। ब्रदर। बहन सिस्टर। सिस्टर। उदासी सैडनेस। सैडनेस। खुशी हैप्पीनेस। हैप्पीनेस। तुम्हारा योर। योर। सपना ड्रीम। ड्रीम। मेरा माय। माय। उसका हिज। हिज। उपकरण इक्विपमेंट। इक्विपमेंट। लंबा टॉल। टॉल। छोटा स्मॉल। स्मॉल। बोलो स्पीक। स्पीक। बड़ा बिग। बिग। सुनो लिसन। लिसन। खाना फूड। फूड। समझो अंडरस्टैंड। अंडरस्टैंड। देखो लुक। लुक। पानी water, water. कैसा? how, how. मुझे पता था, I knew, I knew. स्कूल का टाइम हो रहा है, It's time for school, It's time for school. तुम्हारा बैग टेबल पर है, Your bag is on the table, Your bag is on the table. जाकर ले लो उसे, Go and get it, Go and get it. मुझे ये पसंद है, I like this, I like this. मेरा बैग कहाँ है, Where is my bag, Where is my bag. मैं पहली बार यहाँ आई हूँ, I have come here for the first time, I have come here for the first time. मुझे बाजार जाना है, I have to go to the market, I have to go to the market. बस कब आएगी, When will the bus arrive, When will the bus arrive. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत है, I need your help, I need your help. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे, Will you help me, Will you help me. मुझे मदद चाहिए, I need help, I need help. यह कितने का है, How much is this, How much is this. मुझे पानी चाहिए, I need water, I need water. कितने बजे हैं, What time is it, What time is it. बात सुनो, Listen, listen. पीछे देखो, Look back, look back. उससे पूछो, Ask him, ask him. आगे देखो, Look ahead, look ahead. इसे रोको, Stop this, stop this. फिर मिलते हैं, See you, see you. जल्दी आओ, Come fast, come fast. खुश हो जाओ, Cheer up, cheer up. बस यही, Right here, right here. बस अभी अभी, Just now, just now. बहुत ज्यादा, Too much, too much. उसे छोड़ो, Ignore him, ignore him. मैं नहीं, Not me, not me. कपड़े बदलो, Change clothes, change clothes. खाना खा लो, Eat your food, eat your food. चुप रहो, Keep quiet, keep quiet. टीवी बंद करो, Turn off the TV, turn off the TV. टीवी चलाएं, Turn on the TV, turn on the TV. पंखा चला दो, Turn on the fan, turn on the fan. पंखा बंद कर दो, Turn off the fan, turn off the fan. बाजार में, At the market, at the market. रो मत, don't cry, don't cry. फिर से कहो, say it again, say it again. घर पर, at home, at home. मुझे भी समझ नहीं आया. I also did not understand. I also did not understand. क्या तुम्हें समझ आया? Do you understand? Do you understand? मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't get. I didn't get. जल्दी खाओ. Eat quickly. Eat quickly. इंतजार करो. Wait. Wait. जल्दी आओ. Come soon. Come soon. रुक जाओ. Stop. Stop. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मुझ पर कोई एहसान न करना. Don't do me any favor. Don't do me any favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. तुमने मुझ पर एहसान किया क्या? Did you do me a favor? Did you do me a favor? मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. मुझे उसके पास ले चलो. Take me to him. Take me to him. उसे बोलने दो. Let him speak. Let him speak. उसे करने दो. Let him do it. Let him do it. वे बातें बना रही हैं. She is making up stories. She is making up stories. वे पढ़ रही हैं. She is studying. She is studying. क्या वे पढ़ रही हैं? Is she studying? Is she studying? उसे जाना होगा. He will go. He will go. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I want it now. I want it now. उसे समझना होगा. He has to understand. He has to understand. उन्हें जाना होगा. They have to go. They have to go. तुम क्या सोच रही हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? हमें जाना होगा. We have to go. We have to go. ऊपर देखो. Look up. Look up. नीचे देखो. Look down. Look down. यह बहुत बड़ा है. This is very big. This is very big. वह बहुत लंबा है. He is very tall. He is very tall. पीछे देखो. Look back. Look back. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? वे बहुत छोटी हैं. She is very young. She is very young. आगे देखो. Look ahead. Look ahead. वे क्यों सो रही हैं? Why is she sleeping? Why is she sleeping? उसकी तबीयत तो ठीक है ना? Is he alright? Is he alright? बाएं तरफ देखो. Look to the left. Look to the left. मैं बिल्कुल सही हूँ. I am absolutely right. I am absolutely right. इसे बंद करो. Stop it. Stop it. मैं सही हूँ. I am right. I am right. दाएं देखो. Look right. Look right. क्या मैं गलत हूँ? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. वह शायद चला गया होगा. He may have left. He may have left. मैंने दाल रोटी खाई. I ate दाल रोटी. I ate दाल रोटी. मैंने इसे नहीं देखा. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. आपने क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? वे बड़बड़ाता है. He is grumbling. He is grumbling. मैं सोचूंगी. I will think about it. I will think about it. मैं बात करूंगी. I will talk. I will talk. मैं देखूंगी. I will see. I will see. मैं खेलूंगी. I will play. I will play. क्या तुम काफी देर से इंतजार कर रहे हो? Have you been waiting too long? Have you been waiting too long? पहले मुझे देखना पड़ेगा. I will have to see first. I'll have to see first. मैं आपका शुभ चिंतक हूँ. I am your well-wisher. I am your well-wisher. लगे रहो. Carry on. Carry on. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? तुम बहुत चालाक हो. You are very smart. You are very smart. मुझे तो नहीं खरीदना. Do you not want to buy it from me? Do you not want to buy it from me? क्या तुम्हें नहीं खरीदना? Don't you want to buy it? Don't you want to buy it? मुझे तो एक खरीदना ही है. I am going to have to buy one. I am going to have to buy one. मुझे एक खरीदना है. I would like to buy one. I would like to buy one. नहीं पसंद है. I don't like it. I don't like it. मुझे बिल्लियां पसंद हैं. I like cats. I like cats. क्या तुम्हें भी बिल्लियां पसंद हैं? Do you like cats too? Do you like cats too? क्या अब उसे पैसे चाहिए? Does he want the money now? Does he want the money now? मैं उसकी पैसों की से मदद करूंगी. I will help him with money. I will help him with money. क्या उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे? Did he not have money? Did he not have money? उसे पैसों की जरूरत है. He needs money. He needs money. उसको पैसों की कमी थी. He was short of money. He was short of money. उसके पास दाढ़ी है. He has a beard. He has a beard. मैं तुम्हारे अच्छे के लिए बोल रही हूँ. I am saying this for your own good. I am saying this for your own good. बिस्तर से बाहर निकालो। गेट आउट ऑफ बेड। गेट आउट ऑफ बेड। मुझे नजरअंदाज मत करो। डोंट इग्नोर मी। डोंट इग्नोर मी। इसलिए अभी वक्त है, संभल जाओ। सो नाउ इज द टाइम टू बी केयरफुल। सो नाउ इज द टाइम टू बी केयरफुल। बाद में पछताना पड़ेगा। You will have to regret it later. You will have to regret it later. अभी वक्त है, संभल जाओ। Now is the time to be careful. Now is the time to be careful. तुम हमेशा खुश रहो। May you always be happy. May you always be happy. तुम्हारी खुशी में हमारी खुशी है। Our happiness lies in your happiness. Our happiness lies in your happiness. तुम खुश तो हम खुश। If you are happy, then we are happy. If you are happy, then we are happy. जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी। As you wish. As you wish. हमारा क्या है? What about us? What about us? वे मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है। He is a very good friend of mine. He is a very good friend of mine. नहीं, उसे गोली लगी है। No, he was shot. No, he was shot. क्या तुम्हें गोली लगी थी? Were you shot? Were you shot? नहीं, मुझे गोली नहीं लगी। No, I won't be shot. No, I won't be shot. क्या तुम्हें गोली लग गई? Did you get shot? Did you get shot? हम शहर में हैं। We are in the city. We are in the city. अहमद मेरा लड़का है। अहमद is my son. अहमद is my son. मैं कसम खाता हूँ। I swear. I swear. फिर भी anyway. Anyway. पीछे हटो। Back off. Back off. रास्ता दो। Give way. Give way. कोई नई खबर। Any new news. Any new news. वक्त लगता है। It takes time. It takes time. नया क्या है? What's new? What's new? निराशा बेवफाई है। Despair is infidelity. Despair is infidelity. तकब्बुर इंसान को ले डूबता है। Pride drowns pupil. Pride drowns pupil. हाँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ। Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. तुम कर सकते हो। You can do it. You can do it. क्या तुम कर सकते हो? Can you do it? Can you do it? अपना चेहरा धो लें। Wash your face. Wash your face. ध्यान से सुनो। Listen carefully. Listen carefully. आपने अच्छा किया। You did well. You did well. मुझे काम करने दो। Let me work. Let me work. मुझे जवाब चाहिए। I need an answer. I need an answer. मैं यह नहीं कर सकती। I can't do this. I can't do this. वह अभी तक क्यों नहीं आया? Why hasn't he come yet? Why hasn't he come yet? वह अभी तक नहीं आया. He hasn't come yet. He hasn't come yet. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? मुझे एक गिलास पानी चाहिए. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? तुम इतने गंभीर क्यों हो? Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? क्या तुमने अपना काम शुरू कर दिया? Did you start your work? Did you start your work? क्या तुमने मेरी ईमेल देखी? Did you check my email? Did you check my email? तुम्हें ये जगह कैसी लगी? How did you like this place? How did you like this place? क्या तुमने मुझसे बात करने की कोशिश की? Did you try to talk to me? Did you try to talk to me? तुम इतनी जल्दी क्यों चले गए? Why did you leave so early? Why did you leave so early? तुम मेरी जिंदगी हो. You are my life. You are my life. तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों लग रहे हो? Why do you look so tired? Why do you look so tired? क्योंकि मैं आपसे बहुत प्रेम करता हूँ. Because I love you very much. Because I love you very much. कभी भी मुझसे जुदा मत होना. Don't ever leave me. Don't ever leave me. मैं आपके बिना नहीं रह सकता. I can't live without you. I can't live without you. तुम्हारी आंखें बहुत नशीली हैं. Your eyes are very intoxicated. Your eyes are very intoxicated. मेरी उम्र भी तुम्हें लग जाए. May you get my age? May you get my age? मैं तुम्हें पूरी जिंदगी खुश रखूंगा. I will keep you happy for the rest of my life. I will keep you happy for the rest of my life. मैं इस पल को यादगार बनाना चाहता हूँ. I want to make this moment memorable. I want to make this moment memorable. तुम्हारा ऑफिस कहाँ है? Where is your office? Where is your office? आप मुझसे क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? What is happening here? क्या आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई? Did you get my point? Did you get my point? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? असुविधा के लिए कैद हैं. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछूं? May I ask you something? May I ask you something? आपकी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? कोई बात नहीं. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. क्या चाहते हो तुम? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. कृपया आहिस्ता बोले. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. कृपया इसे फिर से कहे. Please say it again. Please say it again. यह बहुत महंगा है. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? थोड़ा आराम करो. Take some rest. Take some rest. मेरे पास बैठो. Sit next to me. Sit next to me. क्या तुमने समझा? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे उठाओ. Pick this up. Pick this up. समय पर खाना खाओ. Eat on time. Eat on time. ध्यान से देखो. Look carefully. Look carefully. इसे मत छुपाओ. Don't hide it. Don't hide it. तो क्या हुआ? So what? So what? हाल ही में. Recently. Recently. सीधा मुद्दे पर आते हैं. Come to the point. Come to the point. लेकिन क्यों? But why? But why? ठीक है. All right. All right. जागो. Wake up. Wake up. उठो. Get up. Get up. किसी तरह. Somehow. Somehow. कुछ हद तक. Somewhat. Somewhat. कभी कभी. Sometimes. Sometimes. इसलिए. Therefore. Therefore. आमतौर पर. Usually. Usually. समय पूरा हुआ. Time's up. Time's up. कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who knows? किसे पड़ी है? Who cares? Who cares? बिल्कुल नहीं. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. फिर से पढ़ो. Read again. Read again. अभी तक नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. अब तक. Till now. Till now. मत पूछो. Don't ask. Don't ask. मुझे मत पूछो. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? मुझे पूछो. Ask me. Ask me. जीभ ऊपर करो. Tongue up. Tongue up. भूल जाओ. Forget it. Forget it. जीभ नीचे करो. Tongue down. Tongue down. भूलो मत. Don't forget. Don't forget. हंसो मत. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. वह अंदर है. She is inside. She is inside. इस बार नहीं. Not this time. Not this time. वह कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? फिक्र मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. क्या तुम्हारा हो गया? Are you done? Are you done? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मेरा पेट खराब है. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. नजर ना लगे. Touch wood. Touch wood. मुझे प्यास लगी है. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. मैं समझ गया. I got it. I got it. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. उनसे मत डरो. Don't be afraid of them. Don't be afraid of them. उसे याद रखना. Remember that. Remember that. इसे याद रखना. Remember this. Remember this. यह बहुत अच्छा है. That's too much. That's too much. चलो बात करते हैं. Let's talk. Let's talk. कुछ समय लो. Take some time. Take some time. इसे ध्यान से पढ़ो. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. ये सब तुम्हारे लिए है. This is all of you. This is all of you. मुझसे मत डरो. Don't be afraid of me. Don't be afraid of me. उससे मत डरो. Don't be afraid of them. Don't be afraid of them. इसे वापिस दो. Give it back. Give it back. क्या तुमने खा लिया? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? मुझसे वादा करो. Promise me. Promise me. अपना काम खत्म करो. Finish your work. Finish your work. आराम करो. Take a rest. Take a rest. इसे वापस रखो. Put it back. Put it back. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. उन्हें सच बताओ. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. जाओ और उससे लड़ो. Go and fight with him. Go and fight with him. उससे मत लड़ो. Don't fight with him. Don't fight with him. उनसे लड़ो. Fight with them. Fight with them. उनसे मत लड़ो. Don't fight with them. Don't fight with them. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. मुझसे मत लड़ो. Don't fight with me. Don't fight with me. वह झूठ बोल रहा है. He is lying. He is lying. इसे मत फेंको. Don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. इसे फेंको. Throw it away. Throw it away. खुद पर भरोसा रखो. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. उसे बंद करो. Close that. Close that. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. मुझे याद रखना. Remember me. Remember me. इसे छुपाओ. Hide this. Hide this. उसे याद रखना. Remember that. Remember that. इसे याद रखना. Remember this. Remember this. चलो बात करते हैं. Let's talk. Let's talk. ये बहुत हैं. That's too much. That's too much. मुझ पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention to me. Don't pay attention to me. जल्दी सो जाओ. Go to bed early. Go to bed early. कुछ समय लो. Take some time. Take some time. उस पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention to him. Don't pay attention to him. उन पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to them. Pay attention to them. उन पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to them. Pay attention to them. मुझ पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. उसे याद दिलाना. Remind him. Remind him. मुझे याद दिलाना. Remind me. Remind me. यह असंभव है. It's impossible. It's impossible. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. उसे कुछ दिखाओ. Show her something. Show her something. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quick. Do it quick. मुझे कुछ दिखाओ. Show me something. Show me something. कुछ नया सीखो. Learn something new. Learn something new. कुछ नया खरीदो. Buy something new. Buy something new. कुछ नया देखो. Look something new. Look something new. कुछ नया पहनो. Wear something new. Wear something new. कुछ नया बोलो. Talk something new. Talk something new. कुछ नया करो. Do something new. Do something new. उसे समझाओ. Explain it to her. Explain it to her. मुझे समझाओ. Explain it to me. Explain it to me. इसे संभालो. Handle this. Handle this. उसके पीछे जाओ. Follow him. Follow him. मेरे पीछे जाओ. Follow me. Follow me. उनके पीछे जाओ. Follow them. Follow them. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है. I need you. I need you. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. घर पर रहो. Stay at home. Stay at home. कुछ खाओ. Eat something. Eat something. मजे करो. Have fun. Have fun. इसे बंद मत करो. Don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. मुझे मत रोको. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. कॉल मत करो. Don't call. Don't call. मुझे यकीन नहीं है. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. क्या ये संभव है? Is it possible? Is it possible? इसे छूना मत. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. मुझे इंतजार है. I'm waiting. I am waiting. यह सच है. It's true. It's true. अच्छा लगा. It felt good. It felt good. अपना काम करो. Do your work. Do your work. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक मिनट रुको. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. अभी रुको. Hold on. Hold on. इसे देखो. Look at this. Look at this. जाने दो, let it go, let go. ज्यादा मत सोचो, don't overthink, don't overthink. क्या चल रहा है, what's going on, what's going on. मैं ढूंढ लूंगा, I will find it, I will find it. यहाँ बैठो, sit here, sit here. मुझे बात करने दो, let me speak, let me speak. मैं देखता, I see, I see. वह टीवी देखती है, she watches the TV, she watches the TV. मुझे बैठने दो, let me sit, let me sit. मुझे लिखने दो, let me write, let me write. वह अच्छा बोलती है, she speaks well, she speaks well. उसके पास वक्त है, he has time, he has time. प्लीज मुझे बताओ, प्लीज टेल मी, प्लीज टेल मी. वह झूठा है, he is a liar, he is a liar. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है, I don't have time, I don't have time. वह गाली दे रहा है, he is abusing, he is abusing. फिर क्या हुआ, what happened again, what happened again. क्या हुआ, what happened. इसने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा, he slapped me, he slapped me. मैंने उसे थप्पड़ मारा, I slapped him, I slapped him. मुझे यह मिला, I found it, I found it. आपका मसला नहीं है, not your headache, not your headache. जल्दी ठीक हो जाओ, get well soon, get well soon. तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत, how dare you, how dare you. वह मेरी तरह है, he is like me, he is like me. बस वापस आओ, just get back, just get back. ये यहाँ रख दे, keep it here, keep it here. यह वहां रख दे, keep it there, keep it there. कुछ ठीक नहीं है, nothing is okay, nothing is okay. इसी वक्त, right now, right now. यहाँ ध्यान दे, focus here, focus here. हमेशा के लिए, forever, forever. वहां ध्यान दे, फोकस देयर, फोकस देयर. मैंने इनकार किया, I refused, I refused. कोशिश करते रहो, keep trying, keep trying. मुझे अनुमति मत दो, don't allow me, don't allow me. हर हाल में नहीं, no way, no way. कल मिलेंगे, see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. मुझे नींद आ रही है, I am sleepy, I am sleepy. बहाने मत बनाओ, don't make excuses, don't make excuses. मुझे अनुमति दो, allow me, allow me. मैं अभी वीडियो देख रही हूँ, I'm just watching video, I'm just watching video. मैं अभी टीवी देख रही हूँ, I'm just watching TV, I'm just watching TV. मैं अभी ऊपर बैठ रही हूँ. I am just sitting up. I am just sitting up. मैं अभी नीचे बैठ रही हूँ. I am just sitting down. I am just sitting down. मैं अभी मोबाइल देख रही हूँ. I am just watching mobile. I am just watching mobile. मैं अभी पढ़ रही हूँ. I am just reading. I am just reading. मैं अभी लिख रही हूँ. I am just writing. I am just writing. मैं अभी देख रही हूँ. I am just watching. I am just watching. मैं अभी उठ रही हूँ. I am just getting up. I am just getting up. मैं अभी फेंक रही हूँ. I am just throwing. I am just throwing. मैं अभी सो रही हूँ. I am just sleeping. I am just sleeping. मैं अभी उठ रही हूँ. I am just waking up. I am just waking up. मैं अभी आ रही हूँ. I am just coming. I am just coming. मैं अभी जा रही हूँ. I am just going. I am just going. मैं अभी सोच रही हूँ. I am just thinking. I am just thinking. मैं अभी कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I am just trying. I am just trying. मैं अभी खेल रही हूँ. I am just playing. I am just playing. मैं अभी खरीद रही हूँ. I am just buying. I am just buying. मैं अभी नहा रही हूँ. I am just taking a bath. I am just taking a bath. मैं अभी ले रही हूँ. I am just taking. I am just taking. मैं अभी जा रही हूँ. I am just going. I am just going. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. मैं अभी चेकिंग कर रही हूँ. I am just checking. I am just checking. मैं अभी आ रही हूँ. I am just coming. I am just coming. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. डरो मत. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. वहाँ कौन है? Who's there? Who's there? यह मैं हूँ. It's me. It's me. मुझे कल याद दिलाना. Remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow. मुझे मौका दे. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मुझे कॉपी दे. Give me a notebook. Give me a notebook. बहुत ज्यादा सर्दी है. It is freezing cold. It is freezing cold. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. मैं स्कूल में हूँ. I am in the school. I am in the school. मुझे किताब दे. Give me a book. Give me a book. मुझे कलम दे. Give me a pen. Give me a pen. मैं दफ्तर में हूँ. I am in the office. I am in the office. मैं बाजार में हूँ. I am in the market. I am in the market. मैं दुकान पर हूँ. I am on the shop. I am on the shop.